Today at Secret Super Chef we have millet halwa, or as we call it, Bajre ka Malida. This halwa is a winter specialty and there are a lot of ways to make it, but I'll show you an easy way. So let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, I've made 4 to 5 Bajra Rotis. The recipe for the Bajra Roti is already available on my channel. You can use fresh rotis, but believe me, leftover rotis turn this halwa super delicious. I've taken 5 Bajra Rotis here that I had prepared last evening. Roughly tear the chapatis, place them in a mixer jar and grind them. Grind the roti to a fine powder. If you don't want to grind the rotis, you can simply rub the rotis between your palms and it will just get crushed. My boys like it super fine, so I grinded it. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon pure ghee. Once the ghee is hot, switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons jaggery or gur. The jaggery that I have used here is a soft jaggery. Let the jaggery melt in the ghee. Make sure the flames are switched off, otherwise the jaggery will become too sticky. This is the exact texture we are looking for. Switch on the gas stove and make sure the flames are on very slow. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh malai or cream that we get on top of the milk. Cream gives a nice richness and softness to the halwa, though this is optional. Our cream has also melted along with the jaggery and our mixture is ready. To this mixture, I'm going to add few raisins. Here I've used 2 tablespoons. You can also add some slivered nuts. Here I've taken 1 tablespoon of mixed nuts. Give a quick stir. Now add half a cup of milk. This is regular milk. Once everything is got incorporated, we'll add our bajra. Let's add the grounded bajra powder and stir the mixture well. Initially you will feel like you've added a lot of liquid, but gradually the bajra will absorb all the liquid. Within 5 to 7 minutes, all the liquid has evaporated. Give a nice stir, switch off the flame and cover the halwa for some time. We just want the flavors to just get settled down. Take your serving dish and gradually transfer the halwa onto it. Make sure the halwa is slightly warm or a little hot when you serve it. This halwa does not taste good when it's cold. Just before serving, sprinkle some garnishings. Sprinkle a teaspoon of slivered nuts. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds. If the seeds are not roasted, slightly roast them on the griddle and then sprinkle on top. Sprinkle a few rose petals. Fresh or dry, anything is fine. My grandma used to make this with leftover Bajra Rotis and believe me, it's amazing. This halwa can be made with fresh Bajra Rotis too. I'm sure you all will like this recipe too. Exact ingredients are mentioned in the description box and the link of Bajra Roti is also given there. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel and like and comment on my recipes. Thank you.